And welcome to another video, and we've got another pressure washing job here. It's all porcelain tiles or slabs, whatever you want to call them. So let's have a look around and see what we've got to do. Got this footpath across here and round by the sheds there. We've got this patio area here and a bit of composite decking. So that will be done with low pressure on the composite decking because we don't want to mark that, but the porcelain tiles are fairly hard, so we shouldn't have any problem there. We have got a bit of algae growth from the trees overhanging, so we've got more composite decking here. Lovely property. It just seems to keep going. Then we've got another area here, again bit of algae on it, nothing too bad. Big green down there, composite decking, and round here all the way round, a bit of algae under the trees. So this is one of those jobs where it's handy to come and have a look at, because I looked on Google Earth and this wasn't built when Google Earth was taken, so you have to come and have a look at some jobs. So we'll get cracking and get it all cleaned up. Job done. The hypo, I used Nuclear Pro by Pure Seal. Brought it up really nice. There was a place around there from the trees, and it's given a bit of a reflection on the phone, but it does actually look better than the phone showing it. It doesn't look as grey as the phone shows, it's more of a cream colour, and it's all come up really well, right the way around. Come up really nice. It's weird how the phone makes it look so grey actually, because it is quite a nice cream. It was black around there, and there was a place up here. It was black under these trees here, and that's all come off. So, job done. So if you've made it all the way to the end, thank you very much. Just to show that you have made it to the end, start a comment with the word Barry, the name Barry, and I'll know who it is that's watching it, because I know some of you watch all my videos all the way, but not everybody. So if you start a comment with the word Barry, I'll know that you've been watching, and hope you found this interesting. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.